Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I will be making bitter leaf soup but without cocoyam. If you want to make bitter leaf soup and you don't have cocoyam, stay with me. So I'm going to turn my meat inside the pot I'll be using to cook. This is the pot I'm using. This is just my boiled meat and pomo. Just boil your meat anyhow. So this is my dry fish smoke. For that the fruit you need ogiribo for your bitter leaf soup, but I don't have it, so I'm going to be using this. If you know dawa, this is what I'll be using. And my crayfish, and for my pepper, just 2 scotch bonnet. I will just blend this all. Make sure you just add everything you need to add now. I'll put in 1 of this. Salt to taste. I will just grind all of this together. This is our blended pepper. I'm just going to pour that in. At this time, if you have cocoyam, you can just add it to thicken the soup. Yes, oats is what I'll be using, white oats. You just have to take enough using. That is done. It's looking like this. It's very smooth, so little by little, not just all, so you know when to stop. It will thick, so if you put too much, by the time it cools down, your food will be too thick. Now I'm going to pour in my bitter leaf. Mine is very soft, so if you have strong bitter leaf, maybe you pour it on time. And I'm just going to leave this for some minutes and it's done. Yes. Yeah, after some minutes, this is what it's looking like. It's done. And if it cools down, it will be thick more. Yeah, that's it. Please, if you love my video, give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below for me. And thanks again for watching. Bye.